Dear students, today's topic is functions, mode of absorption, and deficiency symptoms of micronutrients. There are several micronutrients. The following are the micronutrients: iron, manganese, copper, zinc, boron, molybdenum, chlorine, etc. These are all considered as micronutrients. They are very essential in very less quantities to the plants. In trace amounts, they are very essential for the metabolism of the plants. They play key roles in many plants. For example, boron is essential for translocation of sugars. Molybdenum is involved in nitrogen metabolism, and zinc is needed for biosynthesis of auxin. Still, we have to see some of the role of micronutrients, their functions, their mode of absorption, deficiency symptoms, and deficiency diseases. First one, iron, Fe. It is denoted as Fe. Iron is required lesser than macronutrient and larger than any of the micronutrients. Iron is an essential element for the synthesis of chlorophyll and carotenoid. It is the component of cytochrome, pyridoxine, flavoprotein, formation of chlorophyll, porphyrin ring activation of catalases, peroxidase enzyme, etc. It is absorbed as ferrous, Fe2 plus, ferrous ions, and ferric ions, Fe3 plus ions. The absorption of Fe2 plus ions is comparatively more than Fe3 plus ions. Mostly, the fruit trees are sensitive to iron deficiency symptoms. Interveinal chlorosis, formation of short and slender stalk, and inhibition of chlorophyll formation takes place due to the deficiency of iron. The second one is manganese. It is referred as Yaman. It is the activator of carboxylases, oxidases, dehydrogenases, and kinases. So, this will activate many enzymes to function properly. It is involved in splitting of water to liberate oxygen in the light reaction of photosynthesis. That is called photolysis of water. It is absorbed as manganose, Mn2 plus ions. Deficiency symptoms of manganese. Interveinal chlorosis number 1, gray spot on rose leaves and poor root system will be formed due to the deficiency of manganese. Gray spot on oats leaves is a disease appeared in oats plant. The third micronutrient is copper. It is referred as Cu. It is a constituent of plastocyanin component of phenolases, tyrosinase enzymes involved in redox reaction, synthesis of ascorbic acid, maintaining carbohydrate and nitrogen balance. Part of the oxidases and cytochrome oxidases. It is a part of the oxidases and cytochrome oxidases. It is absorbed as cupric ions, that is Cu2 plus ions by the plants. Deficiency symptoms: dieback of citrus, reclamation disease of cereals and legumes, or the deficiency disease appear in the citrus, in the cereals and legumes, etc. Chlorosis takes place, necrosis and exanthema in citrus, that is the deficiency disease appear in citrus. So due to the deficiency of copper, dieback of citrus, reclamation disease of cereals and legumes, and exanthema disease in citrus appear. These are all the diseases due to the deficiency of copper. The next one is the zinc. It is referred as Zn. It is essential for the synthesis of indole acetic acid, that is the axin. Axin is a natural phytohormone synthesized in the plant itself. It is the activator of carboxylases, alcohol dehydrogenase, lactic acid dehydrogenase, glutamic acid dehydrogenase, carboxy peptidases, and tryptophan synthetases. There are so many enzymes which are activated by the zinc. It is absorbed as zinc 2 plus ions. Deficiency symptoms of zinc: little leaf and motile leaf takes place due to the deficiency of axin, intervein chlorosis, stunted growth, necrosis, and Chyra disease of rice takes place due to the deficiency of zinc. There are diseases appear in plants. One is little leaf and motile leaf in plants, and the third one is the Chyra disease of rice. So these three are the deficiency diseases appear in plants by means of zinc. The next microelement is boron. It is referred as B. Translocation of carbohydrates, uptake and utilization of Ca2 plus, pollen germination, nitrogen metabolism, fat metabolism, cell elongation and differentiation takes place due to the deficiency of boron. The boron is absorbed as borate ion, that is BO3 minus. BO3 minus is a borate ion. In the form of borate ions, boron will be absorbed by the plants. Deficiency symptoms: death of root and shoot tips takes place due to the deficiency of boron. Premature falling of flowers and fruits, brown heart of beetroot, internal cork of apple, and fruit cracks due to the deficiency of boron. So, the diseases appear in plants due to the deficiency is: number one, death of root and shoot tips. Number 2, brown heart of beetroot. Number 3, internal cork of apple, etc. The next one is molybdenum. It is referred as MO. It is a component of nitrogenase enzyme, nitrate reductase enzyme. It is involved in the nitrogen metabolism and nitrogen fixation. Molybdenum is absorbed as molybdate ion, that is MO2 plus ions. Deficiency of molybdenum. Number 1, chlorosis. Number 2, necrosis. Number 3, delayed flowering. Number 4, retarded growth. And number 5, whiptail disease of cauliflower. So the whiptail disease of cauliflower is a disease appear in cauliflower due to the deficiency symptoms of molybdenum. Finally, we are going to see the chlorine. It is referred as Cl. It is involved in the anion cation balance, cell division, photolysis of water. It is very much essential for the photolysis of water. It is observed as Cl minus ions, deficiency disease, wilting of leaf tips is a deficiency symptom, takes place due to the deficiency of chlorine. That's all today's topic. Thank you.